Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, 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 Rohit. Uh, the yesterday we have done some part. Do you understand something?
Yes, I understood.
Okay, okay. So let's begin with the today class.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So we are on the second day of Selenium training. On first day we have covered how to install Visual Studio, how to use various data types. We also saw why Selenium is used, why there is need of an unit. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's move to some more advanced topics.
Okay. Sir, actually, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
You said that we are going to cover only data-driven framework. So, based on present scenario for job,
Hmm.
which frameworks are required for that?
Uh, data
Are they going with the latest framework like Specflow and all?
data driven framework is the largest used framework in this world,
Okay.
and it is easiest. First do this framework, then move on to the
Okay.
next, because it is the most easiest framework. If you jump on the toughest one, you will not survive.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
No,
Now,
actually, I was asking because I have three, four, almost 4, 5 years of gap,
okay,
and
that's why I'm
so
asking, that's why asking you to start with the basic. That's why I'm asking you. If you have the gap, this is the best framework.
okay,
Okay. Now,
okay,
Rohit,
okay.
today is very hectic day. Now let's move to some more advanced topics like loops, arrays, and
Yes,
functions. As we proceed, we will also discuss that why we need to study these topics, and while study Selenium, where are we using these concepts?
okay,
Okay.
okay. Yes,
Sorry. Now move to our first topic, concatenation operator. Okay. Close this window. Uh, Make a new project, naming module 2, and next create. Okay, this is our new project.
yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
you can name this file as uh, okay. Concatenation.cs. Okay, so let us string a string x equal to selenium and string y equal to training. Now console. Save it and uh, now run this module. You have seen that it is printing Selenium training.
Yes.
Okay, because we are using plus. Plus is a
Okay.
concatenation operator. It is used for concatenating the strings. Okay,
Yes.
You have seen that Selenium and training are two different words.
Yes. Concatenation is simply addition,
Yeah,
adding two
yeah, yeah, two,
entities.
yeah. But and
Okay.
also it's put in single line because we are concatenating the two strings. Okay. Uh, Now we take int a 100 and int b equal to 200. Now, now again we now you see it is adding.
Yes.
Okay, it automatically adds the int value and concatenate the strings. Okay, now we write. Okay, now again we run the program. Now you see this is 300 Selenium training a plus b plus x plus y and x plus y plus a plus b Selenium training 100 200. You see the difference. Hello.
Hi. Yes.
Yeah, you see the difference.
Hi. Yes.
In first
When
line,
integers are
yeah,
uh,
when in the first line it concatenates a plus b 300, then it concatenates with
yes.
selenium 300 selenium, then 300 selenium concatenates with training. It's a
Yes.
process. A plus b, it's 300. Okay,
Yes.
300 plus selenium, 300 selenium, 300 selenium plus training, 300 selenium training. And in the second line, first selenium with training, then selenium training with 100, selenium training 100,
Yes.
then selenium training 100 plus 200. Okay,
Okay.
now,
Why it is not adding at first place then? Integers are added if they are only
yeah,
written
it is,
firstly.
it is, it starts from left side. They
Okay.
both are integers. Okay,
Yes.
when they both are integers, they added up like this one. Okay, but when added they added with the third with the selenium a plus b plus x. Now they are added, they become 300. When 300 plus x, 300 plus selenium, one is int, one is string, they concatenated like a string, like you can say that 300 selenium.
Yes.
Okay, then 300 selenium concatenates with the training. 300 selenium. look, I will
Sir,
tell.
your voice is breaking little bit.
Uh, my signal is full. Let me. Okay, I will clear you this. Now, see that 300 plus selenium. What should it print? 300 selenium. This much. Because 300 is an
Yes.
integer and selenium is a string. Now, when I type plus y, then it's 300 selenium training. Okay. But
Yes.
when x plus y is on the left side, there already is a string. When string added with the integer, it becomes string selenium training
Okay.
100. Then selenium training 100 is added to 200, not 100. That's why it is
Okay.
written as this side.
Okay.
So you have to be very careful using string in your script. Most of the people
Yes.
do do it in the wrong way. They didn't understand. Okay.
Okay.
Now moving forward to next topic, which is loops. Till now, everything we discussed so far is present in every programming language, whether it is C sharp, whether it is PHP or Python. The concepts remain the same. That how you declare the variable data types. Okay,
Okay.
let's
Yes.
take some example of loop. You can can't. Now add an item. It is class. Name it as while loop. Now add public static void main string args. Now I want to run this class first. Okay. For that, because when you run the module, it will give an error
Okay.
because main method is on the both side. They, they are saying that
Sir,
it is
actually, can you please provide me the, some basic videos like what is main method, what is void, what is
no no no
static,
no
so that
no
before.
no no no. You will understand because when
Okay.
I do it, you will see me and you will practice in on your way. You will understand. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Don't worry about the static main. You will understand. There is no hurry in that. You will understand.
Okay.
Just see the concepts. What are doing? What I am
Yes.
doing? I want to
Okay.
run. I want to run this file, my while loop, but it is running concatenation file, and also it is giving me an error because in the project there is only one main method.
Okay.
Okay, so to rectify this problem, note it very seriously. Right click on module, properties, scroll down, there is startup object, node set, while loop. Save it. Okay, now run it. There you see it will run, but it's not there because we had not write the read key. Again run it. There you see. Now my first starting file is while loop.cs. Okay,
Yes.
now we are we are here for while loop. I will write a program, simple program. Here it is an initialization. I am initialize the variable I. Okay,
Okay.
this is the condition where I'm giving the condition that I is less than 10 while, and this is the incrementation. Okay, now we run this module. It will, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 9. You see it printed till 9
Yes.
because I have given the condition that less than 10. When I write equal to 10, less than equal to 10, it will print 10 because I give him the condition that less than or equal to 10. That's why it's printing 10.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
now moving on to next loop, that is your for loop. We again add a new class to our project. Let's name us for loop. Okay,
Okay.
now again I add method public static void main. You know something about for loop?
Mm, no, don't know.
Okay, I'm writing a simple program. You will understand it. Now here you see that in one line there is initialization, there is a condition, and there is an incrementation. But in the while loop, it's in the different line.
Okay.
Okay. Now again, I want to make this page the front page. Again, I go to the properties. Just remember this part, startup object, make for loop, save it, and run it. Again, you see it types the same.
Yes.
Okay. Now one thing more.
Yes.
You know what about, know about something about breakpoint?
Yes. From there, that loop should stop.
Yeah, you can see step by step that incrementing values, how to increment, how your program is incrementing values. Okay, just put it there and run it. Okay, now it's come to this part. By pressing F10, it's line by line. Okay, now you know here I is 0 first time. Okay, then again it's
Okay.
increment 1. Okay, by pressing F10, you going step by step, but you want to reach the end, press F5. Okay,
Okay. To press F5 for what?
F F5 to reach the end. You know, I will run
Okay.
it.
Okay.
I will run it again. It will maybe clear to you.
So we can directly
Yeah,
go to the end by
yeah,
F5.
yeah, yeah. By pressing F5. Just I'm F10. This is F10. I'm pressing F10. But when I press F5, it will go to the end. Okay.
Yes.
The question is that where we use for loop in Selenium. So, and the answer is suppose you have Excel file with username, password, email, and you have to iterate through. How will you do it? Let's take an example. I have you have something Excel like that. There are hundred and username and password, and you have the data, this type of data. There you can use for loop that by row or by column. Okay, this is the best for the for loop. Okay.
Yes. So when we are having three, four entities, so
No, no, you
that
have
time we have
maybe
to.
maybe 100, maybe 500. It's maybe more than
Okay.
500.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just giving you the example. This is a small example, and
Okay.
just like Excel file, I don't have Excel file for that. That's why I'm making a small example. That username you have been given Excel file, which is like this: username, password, email, and zip code. Okay. Now moving to the next topic,
Yes.
arrays. Okay. Again, we add class to the our project, and it is called arrays. Again, public static void main. I'm telling you about a two-dimensional array. Okay, two-dimensional array is like uh, is like
Okay, two rows and two columns for MSM.
I'm taking a
Like that.
simple example. I'm taking a simple example that there are one row and you can say four columns. We can take it as two as well. No worries about that. My drawing is very much poor. Sorry for that. 1, 2, 3. It's a five columns and one rows. Okay.
Okay.
Array is basically a memory location where you can store multiple values.
Yes.
Okay. Now
Yes.
coming back to project, how to declare two-dimensional array. Now this means three rows, four columns.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
As now I can't read from the Excel file, so I will give the value manually. Okay. This means zeroth row and zeroth column. Let me take the example. We have taken three rows. Rohit, if the meeting ends, I would mail you one more link. It will start out
Okay.
9:45. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Sure.
Okay. Three rows and four column. This is 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It starts from 0. Okay, that's why I've written at
Yes.
here 0, 0.
Okay.
You understand that this is a 0 row, 1 column,
Yes.
0th row,
Yes.
1 column, then 0th row, 2 column, 0th row, third column.
Yes.
Okay, then again, I am writing all this because I want to show you something. You understand na, that this is the
Yes.
first row, 0 column. This one,
Yes.
first
Yes.
row,
Understood.
0 column.
Yes.
Then it's a second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Okay, and there are some
Yes.
values. Okay, now to get total rows, hmm, in this we know that there are 3 rows. Sometimes we have to read it from the Excel. We don't know that what total rows are. For that, save it, and now again go to your module 2 properties, arrays, save it.
We have to save it compulsory.
Yeah, you have to say control plus S is the
Control.
short control S is the shortcut key.
Yes.
Okay, now we have to write console dot read line dot. Now yeah, see total rows are 3 and total columns are 4. When we read the data from the Excel, we don't know the rows, we don't know the columns, that how many rows are there, how many columns are there from which we get the data. This is the helpful. This means row length is a zeroth, or you can say 0 dimension, this one, and column length is a 1 dimension. This is 1. There you can find
Okay.
this. Okay. Uh, I'm making a small program. I will let you know what I'm writing. You want to
So,
print.
what is that plus x dot get length? What is that?
So X this
Okay.
I'm I have
Declared X as array.
yeah, it's a two-dimensional array. Okay, which I have made this two-dimensional
Yes, yes, yes.
rows or column.
Got it.
Okay, now you want to print each and every item in the two-dimensional array. First, you have to iterate through each row. Because you can see the diagram. You know you have the three rows. You have to iterate through first each row, then each column. Again, Rohit, I'm remembering you that I will send the link. The meeting will start at 9:45. Okay.
Yes.
Now again, I run it. You will see the data, but let me or modify it. Now again, run it. Mhm. Okay, that looks like I've done it in the wrong. Okay. Okay. Uh, just load. Now, can you see this is the first row?
Yes.
V- I'm just giving you examples. Sometimes you get the Excel. This is the Excel, and you are extracting data from it.